One of the best places to see whales is off the coast of California. However, not every adventurer is lucky enough to catch a glimpse of the giants. Is it worth your time to head out on the ocean? Watch and find out. You won't believe what happens at the end. Hey friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And today's adventure is in Newport Beach, California.
And we are going to do something really cool today. What is it,
It sounds like you're Mr. Rogers.
Let me put my shoes on and my sweater. All right, so let me be a little bit cooler. We're actually going whale watching. So hopefully we will see a ton of whales.
We booked a whale tour with Davey's Locker Whale Tour. We're hurrying up and heading back to the car to put the computer, Kevin's computer, back in the car. We're talking about someone who literally doesn't take their computer anywhere, and yet he took it whale watching.
Yeah, didn't know it was in there.
Hi, welcome. You want to follow them right up to the front? Thank you. Welcome.
So we left the harbor and headed out to the open sea in search of the great white, or a whale, or even a dolphin. Really, any sea life would do. The boat was really good size, which kept the seasickness to a minimum, and had a bathroom and a snack bar. Well, we finished our whale watching tour.
We had a great time for the boat ride.
Yes, but unfortunately we didn't see any whales. Now, here's the thing, you can't control animals in the ocean, so it's really not anybody's fault. However, it was a nice boat ride, and one thing I did like about the boat is that there weren't a lot of people on there, and they specifically said that they charge a little bit more now so that there's not as many people. I like that.
Yeah, I think that was good too.
We did see some dolphins.
Yeah, we did. We saw common dolphins, which are a little different than your bottlenose dolphins.
And that was cool, and there was tons of them. So that was at the very end, unfortunately. So we didn't get to see them for a long time, but we did get to see them. And the other cool thing that they did was they gave us this little ticket for $17 off, or no.
Yeah, $17 off.
No, $17 will be your ticket if you want to go again, because they felt like you didn't get to see as much as you should have.
Yeah.
So I thought that was really cool too.
And it was still a good boat ride, so we had a good time.
Yeah, so I give it a thumbs up.
Yep, thumbs up.
For more videos like this, visit our channel and check out any one of our playlists. make sure you check out the California epic or fail video as well from Huntington Beach.
You can also go to our website at www.befreebenson.com. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a like and also subscribe to our channel.
As always, get out there, have an adventure, and be free. See you in the next video.